Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this beautiful and easy baby blanket pattern. This pattern is a 3D pattern and it's front view, and this is the back view of the pattern. It's only 4 rows repeated and it's suitable for many projects. I use hook seam yarn and 3.5 millimeters hook. You can use any yarn and any hook size. If you're ready, let's get started. For the beginning, make a slip knot and then chain a multiple of 6 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And when you reach the desired width, add 1 chain. I made 25 chains totally, and now yarn over, skip first 3 chains and make a double crochet into 4th chain from the hook. Then make a double crochet into next chain, double crochet into the next, double crochet into the next, and double crochet into each chain across. At the end, I have 23 double crochets. Now for next row, chain 3 as a double crochet and turn the work and make a double crochet into next stitch. And make a double crochet into next stitch. And now I have 3 double crochets. Then chain 3, yarn over, and skip next 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And go to next stitch and make a double crochet here, then chain 2 and make another double crochet into same stitch. Again, chain 3, skip next 5 stitches and insert the hook into next chain and make a double crochet, and then chain 2 and make another double crochets. Continue this sequence. 3 chains, skip next 5 stitches and make a double crochet, 2 chain and double crochet into the next until the end. And at the end, 3 chains and skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stitches and make a double crochet into the next and double crochet into the next stitch, and then make a double crochet into 3rd chain of turning chains. And row 2 is finished. Now for next row, chain 3 and turn the work and make a double crochet into next stitch and make a double crochet into next stitch. Chain 1 and make 5 double crochets around first double crochet here. Insert the hook from front to back to front around first double crochet and make 5 double crochets here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then turn the work and make 5 double crochet around 2nd double crochet. Here, insert the hook around 2nd double crochet and make 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Now chain 1 and again make 5 double crochet around first double crochet of next V. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Turn the work and make 5 double crochet around 2nd double crochet here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. chain 1, and at the end make 1 double crochet into each double crochet, 1, 2, and last double crochet here into third chain of turning chains. Now for next row, chain 3 and turn the work and make double crochet into second stitch and double crochet into third stitch. Now into chain 1 space after these 3 double crochets here, make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, and another double crochet. Okay, then chain 2 and go to this hole and make a puff stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, and repeat that 4 more times. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now yarn over, pull through all loops, yarn over, pull through these 2 loops, chain 2, and go to next chain 1 space here and make 1 double crochet, chain 2, and 1 double crochet, chain 2, and go to this hole and make a puff stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chain 2 and go to last chain 1 space here, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, and 1 double crochet, and then make double crochet into each double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. For next row, chain 3 and turn the work, and then make a double crochet into second stitch and double crochet into third stitch. I have 3 double crochets at the beginning, and now without chaining, go to first double crochet of these 2 double crochets and take it and make 5 double crochet around it. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Turn the work and take second double crochet and make 5 double crochet around it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, chain 1 and skip this puff stitch and go to next V stitch and make 5 double crochet around first double crochet of that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Turn the work and make 5 double crochet around second double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and repeat this sequence for other V stitches. Chain 1 and skip next puff stitch and make 5 double crochet around first double crochet of last V stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Turn the work and make 5 double crochets around second double crochet here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and at the end, without chaining, make 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and the last double crochet is made into third chain of turning chains. You can see that in this row I have 3 patterns, and in third row I have 2 patterns. For next row, chain 3 and turn the work and make a double crochet into second stitch and double crochet into third stitch. Okay, and make a puff stitch in this hole. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yarn over, pull through all loops, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, chain 2 and go to chain 1 space here and make 1 double crochet, chain 2 and 1 double crochet into that. Then chain 2 and make a puff stitch into this hole. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yarn over, pull through these loops and remain 2 loops, yarn over, pull through these 2 loops, chain 2 and go to chain 1 space and make 1 double crochet, chain 2 and another double crochet into same chain 1 space, and then make a puff stitch into this hole. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then make a double crochet into these 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, chain 3 and turn the work. Now I have to repeat third row. 1 double crochet into next, 1 double crochet into next. After these 3 double crochets, make a chain and then make 5 double crochets around first double crochet of V stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and turn the work and make 5 double crochet around second double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Chain 1 and go to next V and make 5 double crochet around each double crochet of that. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. One, 2, 3 and 4, 5. And after that, chain 1 and make double crochet into last 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3. And you can see that I have 2 patterns in this row again, such as this row, third row. And these 4 rows, row 3, 4, 5 and 6, must be repeated. You have to repeat these 4 rows until you reach the desired height for your pattern. I repeat this pattern several times, and this is my pattern. Okay, I hope this video will be useful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.